Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so as you guys can see, we're back out here in the water with the John boat. We got a couple issues. We were coming up here and well, you see that ripple right there? Well, we kind of hit it, and well, we got some water coming in now. So we're gonna use my fancy dancy Plugger 9000, which is a sock which works. So we go here. So, we're going to try to turn around and go somewhere else. We got a fish finder now, so we can actually tell how deep everything is. So, which it didn't work for us because we still ran into land, didn't we? Or a rock, actually. So, come sit right here. Think we should go down the waterfall? You ready to do it again? hold that.
And we're
Just up there.
William,
What?
where did you learn those tricks?
Just been doing it.
Oh. William, I think the socks are not working.
I don't think our build pumps are working.
Your bottle's rolling around. Wait, what's the 39 mean?
There we go. We're in 25 feet of water. At least if we get one going.
What?
If we can get one water going, we can be good. One builds. Took quite a bit of water doing them tricks.
Look, William, your sock. Your 51,000 sock is not working. And look at all that water coming in.
There's that better.
What?
Where are you putting the camera?
Ah. Ew. Well, I think we're trapped.
We're not trapped. We can get out of this. No big deal.
With the paddler. What's going on?
It's anywhere in 10-foot water.
That's why.
There's just too much stuff in that pump.
Even water.
So we got too much water in here. We gotta get a little lighter. So, well, we ain't gonna get lighter when. I think we got exhaust leak. We might have to call her.
Ugh.
Come on, build. There we go.
Look, there's a lot of water in this side.
Yeah, because I'm leaning on this side. Trying to get all the water too. The good build pump.
How'd that get there?
I don't know. That's probably why there's that much water in there. Quite a bit of water in there.
Look at that cap, it's floating.
Might have to call her, Ella. I might have to go. It might be too many holes for a little John boat to. Too many holes. Oh, that's not the bad one. This is the bad one. Just cover that back up. And it's not there.
Is there another one? Or is it that's one?
Just 2 holes.
I hate that rock.
Huh?
That rock?
Oh yeah, that rock is the one that made the holes. So if we want to hit that.
Ah, wait. I got about our water.
Pour a water bottle.
It's dirty now.
It is.
When you get home, are you gonna wash it?
There's no way we're in 29 feet of water. That thing's full of baloney.
It is.
Look at here. The water is only 53 degrees, and I walked in it. Seems about right. We're getting lighter, Ella.
Oh no. Yes. Yay.
You know what lighter means?
Wait.
We can go faster.
No.
You don't want to go faster?
Wait.
How fast do you think we were going on the river today? Hey.
I don't know.
How fast do you think we're going on the river today?
I don't know.
According to this, it's only 135. Is it one? No, it's 235. Uh-oh. I must got moisture in my phone. I wonder why, Ella. Wonder why, Ella. How did I get moisture in my phone? Somebody kicked it off in the ground floor.
Well, look at that log.
Yeah.
There's a little bit of logs here.
Say that again in English.
That's a little bit of logs here.
Oh.
See?
Look, we barely got any water in here now, Terry. I'll tell you what, we're good to go. Let's go for another round.
No.
Alright, so we're gonna finish getting this water out. We're gonna probably pack her up because this thing says that there's 29 feet of water, then we don't move and it goes down to 15. Don't exactly know what's going on, but we got some issues to figure out with the John boat. Got 2 holes that we know of. We hit several rocks that we know of. Somebody almost fell off the front of the boat.
Me?
On accident. I seen the rocks at the last minute. I said, Ella, hold on. I was going to gun it so we can get over it because, you know, if we're sitting, we're deeper in the water than if we're full throttle. So we were going to do that, but then turn that bastard off. That thing is annoying. So we're going to finish getting this all. I think we got majority of it out.
We can't. How are we gonna go back to the truck?
Same way we came. Full throttle. Send it. We're gonna send it for you guys.
Look how deep is that mountain?
I don't know how deep it is right here. According to the Google, or not Google, but that thing.
Did you order it? Who ordered it?
We don't talk about that. Don't tell your mom. Alright, so we're going to get it going, go up the river again, then come back down, and I'll show you guys what we actually did. I'll catch you guys in a flash. Alright, so we made it back home. Only a couple leaks, as you guys know. We had that one leak right there, that one leaked there. This is pushed up like that, like a crazy wall. I don't know how that happened, but as you guys see, trailer is painted. The rims are not painted yet. We got some lights, not fully hooked up lights, but temporary hooked up lights. And we got the cherry picker on there. That way we can pick stuff up, or pick the front of the John boat up, pull it up on the trailer. We are going to have a winch right here eventually, so you guys stay tuned. And we'll let you guys see the carnage of what happened. So as you guys see right here, it's cracked. Right there, right there, right there. All cracked. Grace, I don't know if you guys can see that. Right there's where the rock hit, or we went over the rock. Whew, yeah. We hit several rocks that day. So, don't know exactly what else is messed up, but so far we got several drippings. Several dripping spots. One there, one there, one there, one there, one there. And some up there. That's just on this point. And some right here. But you know what? We had fun. That's all that matters. So with that being said, we'll catch you guys all on the next one.